All right, well, I'm waiting on the glass guy to get here. We're gonna pull the glass out of the windshield and the rear glass. I know there's gonna be rust underneath the rear glass for sure. But we started pulling the motor out, kind of, sort of. Really just the radiator. Made a big old mess. Of course, look how much room there is here for activities. There's a lot of room. It's like so much room. Anywho, we're gonna get this, we're gonna attempt to get this hood off. This thing, if you know, you know, these hoods are heavy. So I'm gonna set the camera up and we're gonna attempt to get this hood off, hopefully without any damage. So wish us luck. All right, well, the hood wasn't that heavy. I thought it was gonna be a lot heavier than it was. There's so much room for activities in the engine bay. Can't wait to have the turbos mounted in here. Set the hood over here for right now. It actually looks pretty cool. All right, well, my man Fidel over here got the glass taken out for me. Here's his info right here. And he travels all across the country doing classic cars. So if you need any glass or repaired or anything like that, hit him up and he'll take care of you. There's his info one more time. Woo, this thing's getting serious now. Now, for real, there's no turning back. I know I said that in the last video, no turning back now. All I did was pull the interior. But now there's no turning back. Glass is out. Motor's about to come out very soon. That won't be anything to pull out. We're gonna pull this front clip off, the fenders, core support, and then this whole area will just be completely empty. Pull this motor out real quick. As far as the back goes, it's not as bad as I thought it was. It is, I mean, it has a couple little spots here and there, like right there, but that's not bad at all. I can live with that. It's definitely way better than I thought it was going to be. And then as far as the front goes, the front's solid. I'm not worried about that one single bit. That front clip was fun to get off. No, it wasn't too bad, but you can see front clip is off. Fenders, man, that fender looked a little buckled on the lower end. Not sure how that happened, but it did. These fenders have been patched before right there, so I don't know. Do I bite the bullet and buy brand new repop fenders that probably aren't going to fit very good? Or do I try to repair these? I don't know, we'll see. Core support seems in decent condition, except for this piece right here, but they do sell that. That buckled from the bumper hitting it when using the hydraulics. This motor's ready to come out though. Will it be pulled tonight is the question. I'm tempted. I'm very tempted to pull it tonight, but I might just get all this stuff cleaned up and pull it tomorrow, maybe. We'll see. So I knew I was digging in a rabbit hole by tearing this car apart, but of course, more rust than you expect. So we got some rust right here in the firewall section. Looks like it's been rusting for years. Yep. Joy. Nah, but I kind of, I'm not gonna say I expected it here because I did not expect it here, but I kind of figured I was gonna go down a rabbit hole and find stuff I didn't want to see. But it's all good, we'll get it fixed.